Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. I'm just here to wish one of my greatest supporters ever, Risa M. He is a medical doctor and is celebrating today. My brother, I did this for you. This is yours. Have yourself a happy birthday today. Stay safe. I want to see you here next year. You are indeed a great brother. Even though you are a medical doctor, you still have time for my videos as well as my husband's videos. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday.